When Fotis Dulos died by suicide in January 2020, his death left Michelle Troconis and Kent Mawhinney, Fotis' friend and personal lawyer, the only two people remaining, facing charges concerning Jennifer-Dulos' disappearance. Troconis faces charges of conspiracy to commit murder, tampering with physical evidence, hindering prosecution, and conspiracy to tamper with physical evidence in connection to the disappearance. She has pled not guilty to all the charges. Attorney Jim Bergen with Shipman and Goodwin LLP providing context on what will be expected on the first day of trial on Thursday.
I don't think the declaration that she's deceased will make a difference. The fact is they still don't have a body. They don't have any specific proof as to how, much less whether, her life was ended.
Since being charged in 2020, Troconis and her defense attorney, John Shohorn, have appeared in court numerous times, arguing to have her ankle GPS removed, a dismissal of all charges, and more recently, stating the search of Fotis Dulos' home in 2019 was too broad and had no probable cause. Attorney Bergen say there will be a lot of personalities during this trial with an experienced judge and defense attorney.
We've got the Constitution, and the Constitution says you can't just put in all kinds of things about what you think and imagine. It's got to be actual evidence. And the actual evidence as to whether she knowingly participated in a murder or a cover-up depends on your point of view.
Attorney Shohorn has also claimed evidence regarding cell tower data from the day Dulos went missing should be suppressed and considered inadmissible, and that it was, quote, overly broad. The first day of trial, Attorney Bergen says, may be less than a smooth ride.
There are going to be day-to-day complications, and the judge is going to disallow certain evidence, so suddenly things may skip forward.
He added if Troconis is convicted and found guilty at the end, it can be followed by an appeal, which may lead to another trial. Now, a statement today was also released by the spokeswoman of the Dulos family. It said in part, quote, as this trial begins, it is crucial to remember who is at the center, Jennifer, whose 5 children have lost their mother, and as an eventuality, both parents. Jennifer's family and loved ones have lost a loving daughter, sister, cousin, and lifelong friend. We do not seek closure as nothing can bring Jennifer back. Connecticut's news station has been following the case since the very beginning, and we will continue to follow this trial to the very end. Stay with Fox 61 for complete coverage inside and outside the courtroom. You can watch the proceedings live on air, online, and streaming anytime on Fox 61 Plus, on Apple TV, Amazon Fire, and Roku.